Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Agustina, NIM 2129484. Today I will read a journal article with the title is The Relationship Between the Ability of Understanding Mathematical Concepts with Language Ability During Contextual Learning. The abstract is increasing the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concepts. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on students' language skill through contextual learning based on Padang, Pariaman, Tabaik culture, on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. It was survey research. The sample was selected simple, random as many as 100 people from 389 students of SMAN 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang, Tabaik culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structured equation model. It's analyzed using a literal application program. The conclusion of this study is that students' language skill through contextual learning based on Padang, Tabaik culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. The keyword is conceptual comprehension ability, language ability, and contextual learning. Introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students. Even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. It's very possible for him to have misconception. Students learning mathematical concept need relational understanding, so that it can lead to misunderstanding and difficult learning. To overcome student mistakes and misconception in learning mathematics instruct learning that is close to the student's minds. Student can do mathematical process horizontally. Such learning will improve students' thought process such that it becomes meaningful learning. Learning that is close to the daily lives of students is one of the starting points for learning mathematics. Something that becomes a habit of student is local culture. One of the is local music. This can increase mathematical abilities such as the ability to represent mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem-solving skill. This learning can also minimize students' mistake in understanding mathematics. Though music is one of Pariaman culture, music contributes to children's cognitive development. Music helps activate the child motor nerve cells like the music that accompanies religional dance. KJ dance becomes the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skill. Students identify and classify them in geometric structure. They are able to use model and symbol to represent the concept of geometric shapes. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concept and related basic music include sets, equivalent, relation, function, and graphic integers, rational number, real number, notes, chords, notes, music intervals, scales, and casings. They will increase one's musical intelligence. It will include sensitivity to rhythm, melody, and tonal colors of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with Tabaik culture. This is held every year. In the month of Muharram, the Tabaik ceremony has several several ritual parts. This always involves Pariaman religional music, which is often referred to as dol music. In the Tabik tradition, the dol is a traditional drum which originates from Padang Province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The Tabik ceremony commemorates the deaths of Hasan and Hussein, the grandchildren of the Prophet Muhammad. This is a contextual problem that can be used as starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach is an approach that involves students who are active in the learning process. It's to discover or rediscover concepts on students' previous knowledge and experience. Language ability through musical chanting can of the understanding of mathematical concepts. Understanding this concept is mathematical problem by emphasizing mathematical objects. Mathematical objects include facts, concepts, principles, and operation. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understand concept. The ability to understand concept is a cognitive ability that includes restating the definition of a concept, classifying objects into a concept, providing example and not example of a concept, representing a concept in several forms, developing necessary and science condition using certain operation, and applying the concept in problem solving. Understanding of mathematical concept can be achieved better if students learn in a realistic manner. It's one of the elements in understanding mathematical concept. To improve the understanding of mathematical concept, learning is needed that support understanding concept, namely learning to develop the ability to gather information, analyze information, and make generalization by applying the process of connection, representation, communication, reasoning, and proof and problem solving. The ability to understand mathematically can be achieved completely if students learn through the ethnomathematics approach. Therefore, the language skills that are practiced through the art of dol music as a local culture allow for an increase in mathematical understanding. It shows the existence of a conceptual diagram as the relationship between language skill and the understanding of math concepts. Language skills that are used in music give a person a sense of relation. This affects the ability to think academically. Thus, language skill mediated by music have an influence on mathematical thinking skill. Therefore, the formulation of the problem of this research is whether the student's language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concepts. Method. This research is a study with a survey approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang, Pariaman, Tabik culture, and the understanding of math concepts. The population is all students of Senior High School Tripadang, Indonesia. The number of affordable population in 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selection was made through the simple random sampling technique. There are two latent variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. The understanding of maths concept in this study is specifically about the understanding of mathematical concept. Research were carried about when the annual Padang Tabik culture activity was underway. Therefore, the entire population reach in this study has followed this learning model. The research instrument was a language proficiency questionnaire and a test of understanding of mathematical concepts. Data were analyzed using structural equation modeling. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structured equation model. It's analyzed using a lizard application program. The result and discussion is the data from this test is the understanding of math concept and language skill as a latent variable. Each variable indicator is listening X1, speaking X2, reading X3, and writing X4. For latent language ability variable, the indicator variable for understanding mathematical concept is X1, restate the notion of concept. X2, classifies objects according to certain concepts. X3, provides example and not example of concepts. X4, present concept in various forms and representation. X5, arrange necessary and science condition of a concept. X6, selects an operation, and X7 applies the concept to problem solving. By using the literal application program, the data were analyzed and present in the table 1. Now, based on the table 1, it's found that all statistical tests meet in this first good criteria. It's a theoretical model that fits empirical data. The analysis, the results show that there are measures that show good compatibility and only one is not good. The conclusion of this analysis is that overall model meets the good category. Furthermore, a diagram of the basic model standard solution can be present. It can be seen in figure 1. Nah, figure 2 is basic model 2 t-values. The data analyzed also present the basic model t-values path diagram. For more detail, please look at figure 2. Figure 2 and figure 3 are path diagram that represent the validity and reliability of two latent variables, namely the ability to speak language and understanding mathematical concepts. The result of the data analysis are present in the table 2 and 3. Table 2, validity and reliability of the ability to speak language indicator. Based on the table 2, the language ability variable, which consists of 4 indicator variables, has shown good validity. The table states the loading factor value is more than and the t-value is more than. Also, the construct reliability over the final result show that reliability test the latent variable of language ability is consistent. To explain two indicator variable for mathematical thinking skill or understanding mathematical concept, see table 3. Table 3 show that the validity of the 7 observed variable x5, x11 on the understanding of mathematical concept. The 7 variable observed were valid. The 7 manifest variable are restatement of concept x5, classify objects according to certain properties according to the concept X6. Show example and not example. X7 represents a concept in various forms. X8 develop a condition which is a science condition of a concept. X9 utilizing and selecting specific procedure. X10 and apply the concept to algorithm for problem solving. X11 that is in accordance with the provision of the loading factor value of more than 0.50 and the value of not less than 196. For reliability, the CR value is over, which show that the reliability test of the mathematics ability variable products could score. The conclusion is that understanding mathematical concepts has good consistency. Based on the validity and reliability test and figure 2, basic model t-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect of student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture on the understanding of mathematical concept. The test showed that for 86 with p-value 0, this means that there is a positive direct influence on students' language skill through contextual learning based on the Tabik Padang culture on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. The results of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abstraction ability of low-level elementary students. Ethnomathematics, base mathematics learning, and connected mathematics approach have a positive impact on student cognitive process. Students have the ability to understand multiplication and division operation, also able to communicate verbally in writing and mathematical representation. It's based on real media, based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill through contextual learning based on local culture have an effect on the understanding of math concept. For conclusion, we conclude that there is a positive direct effect of student language skill through contextual or culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicator of the two variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, educators must apply contextual learning based on local culture. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.